Hindi mo kailangang tapusin lahat ngayon. Akala ko noon lahat minamadali. Lahat dapat tapusin. Lahat dapat abutin agad. At lahat ay dapat ma-accomplish ng isang bagsakan lang. Pero hindi pala ganun. There are days when you need to rest also. May mga araw na gagalaw ka, kakayod ka, lalaban ka. Pero may mga araw din naman na sasabihin mo sa Diyos na, Lord, hanggang dito na lang po ang kaya ko. Kayo naman po ang bahala sa ibang bagay. Noon, I always feel the guilt inside of me when I take the time to rest. Kasi akala ko noon, hindi ako productive at wala akong pakinabang kapag nagpapahinga ako. Pero hindi pala lahat ng busy ay palaging productive. Lately ko lang din na-realize yung concept of one at a time. And indeed, I can't do everything all at once. I can't figure out my life in just a day, and that is totally fine. Everything takes time, and everything has its own process to follow. So the next time you feel frustrated and disappointed, when things don't happen in a specific time you set it to happen, please be reminded that you did your best. Now, allow God to make His move and take His turn. Do what you can do, tapos si Lord na ang bahala sa ibang bagay. With love and prayers, Noel.